Hi, in this video I want to go over with you how to hide and unhide tabs in Excel, but that's what we're doing here. This whole system, this whole bookkeeping system is set up in Excel. So a few things, if you're not familiar with Excel, I want to make sure you know how to do this so that when you do use this system, it'll make your life a lot easier. So let's get started. See here, I'm on the tab explaining the system. If you're watching this, you've already gotten into the video training links. So we'll start at the beginning though, explaining the system. In order to see how to hide and unhide tabs, you have to hover over one of the tabs, do a right click over the tab ID. So we're right clicking over explaining the system. Down here you're going to see hide and unhide. Okay, so right now what we want to do is unhide some tabs. Right now I have a number of tabs hidden, but if I want to unhide just one, I could pick any one, click it, do a right click on that one, and once I click and the blue shows up, all I have to do is hit OK, and that tab will show up and it goes right to that tab. So let's say if you want to unhide multiple tabs, let's go to a tab again, right click, left click, unhide, and if you want to do more than one, do a left click, hold it down, pull down, and I can unhide the entire system tabs just by doing that and then hitting OK. So now everything has opened up. So when you're using this system though, when you have everything open, you realize you don't need to have everything open. What you want to have open are the tabs that you're going to use. So if you go through and just decide, well, I'm using the video training, I don't need explaining the system, I'm going to hide that. Company setup is the next tab. So maybe you already did this section, you don't need it anymore. You're going to right click, left click, hide, it'll go away. Equity split, you're going to, well, maybe I'll leave that open. So you go through this and you could hide or unhide any tabs you want, and obviously unhiding the tabs are much easier if you want to unhide more than one. Hiding each tab, you have to go to that tab, then with a left click, then with a right click you have to hit hide, and it will hide. Let me hide one that the financial summary tab, for example, it's graphs and charts. I have some people that like to look at these when in fact you have easy access in each month to the actual numbers, and we'll get into that when I talk about the system. So financial summary, I don't care to see that. I'll do a right click and hide it. So that's how you open and close each one of the tabs, and in the next few videos I'm going to get in specifically what the tabs do, and then we're going to make some journal entries so that you can see exactly how the system works. All right, so that's it for this tab. Thank you.